started to occur when I was like 16, 17, so end of high school, grade 11, grade 12. And over time, now I'm 44, what is that, like 30 plus, 35 plus years, it's slowly deteriorated to this point. But it was still devastating because, well, I was a young man in my 20s and 30s, and I'd lost my rock and roll hair. I never used any of the prescription minoxidil or Rogaine. I wasn't really interested in that. It was going, but at the beginning, I used to wear a hat a lot, toques, I still do. It's perfect, like exactly how I imagined I would be if I'd had real organic hair, like with it growing without going bald and having the system put into play. But this is, it's over my expectations for sure. Myself being bald for so many years, that if you're looking for a non-surgical, non-chemical, non-drug-based method for hair replacement, this is definitely the way to go. And I'm glad that I made the right decision to come and get it done here. I'm super excited for my mom to see this because she's gonna start crying.